Hi everyone, my name is Shelby and I just wanted to share some quick thoughts on this Mueller chopper that I purchased recently. I am in love. It is one of my favorite kitchen gadgets that I probably own. I love the little, first start out by saying I love the little carriers for the different attachments. So right now in it I have super small cubes. There's another set that you can easily take this out, and you have larger cubed, or you have some rectangular ones that you are able to put in, and it just chops up everything. I used it for potatoes, lots of veggies, some fruit for my son to make them easier for him to eat. And then I also like that it has another attachment that you can add in that, yeah, you're able to add in real easy. You would end up actually taking this top part out. You'd replace it with this, and then that can be filled with a few of these little grater attachments. So there's this set comes with 5 different grater attachments. So I've used it a few times to grate like zucchini that I just want them thinly sliced, or I've used it a few times with cheese, a lot of vegetables mainly. And then it comes with this nice little attachment, and so you can put the end of whatever you need to move back and forth on this, and it just helps you keep a little bit of control moving the thing back and forth so quickly to be able to grate over these little attachments. So if you are looking for a food chopper, this is one I definitely recommend getting.